Hey guys, gals. So today we are going to start a Kaplan ACT science lesson today. And this is something that myself and your teachers are going to be kind of going through with you. And it's supposed to be an interactive lesson for how to get some ACT practice. Today I'm going to make a quick video on part A and part B of unit number 1. And we're going to actually work together on trying to learn a little bit more about the ACT and things like that. So on this, on your Canvas course or module for this, very first thing you'll see are a couple of assignments that you need to complete during the lesson. This is going to be an interactive lesson again. So your teacher is going to open and unlock things and give you links to things when they are ready for you to do some of these activities. Okay. So the very first one that we're going to do is lesson A. In lesson A, we're going to start off with getting some baseline information about the ACT and how well you're doing. So lesson A and B are both going to take about 1 week, a Tuesday and a Thursday. It might take a little bit longer than that, depending on the amount of engagement and activity that we do. So for lesson A, I'm going to ask you guys to take a practice ACT form, and you guys are going to get a PDF document. And it's not the greatest in the world, but it has the information and it has the question. We're going to ask you guys on a piece of paper to record your answers for, number 1, I got this. Number 2, I got this. Number 3, I got this. And then after 35 minutes on a practice test, I'm going to ask you to go to this Google Form link and record your answers. You should get an immediate result back from that ACT score. Then we'll talk about how to convert that score into a raw science score for the ACT. So this is going to be our first practice test. We are going to take another full-length practice test, but we are going to do lots of little practice during the lesson for the ACT. So for lesson A, very first thing we're going to do is do that. And so your teacher is going to send you, probably through Canvas or through Microsoft Teams, your teacher is going to send you a link or a PDF document of the practice ACT. And again, on a piece of paper, all you need to write down is 1, I think it's this letter. 2, I think it's this letter. 3, I think it's A. 4, I think it's this. 5, I think it's C. Okay, you need to record your answers while you do this, and you will have 35 minutes. We will actually time you with a countdown timer to make sure that everybody is completing the activity in the same amount of time, which is at 35 minutes. Okay. Excuse me. Now, just a quick note is that you're not going to have an actual countdown timer like in the room with a teacher telling you how much time you have left. However, on the digital online version of the ACT, there is a timer telling you how much time you have left to complete the rest of the passages on the ACT. Okay. So again, we apologize for the quality of this PDF, but again, just look at page 1, read the information, scroll down, get the question, and start answering, and then go to the next one, to the next one, to the next one. Okay. As always, if you guys have questions for part A, please let your teachers know.